We got the FLYBIRD roaming chair right here. This bench is incredible. I can do so much with this. Just look at this bench right here. I can do my flat bench presses right here, or I can drop the angle down here because there's 3 different settings. There's this setting or this setting right here. And now I can use this to do sit-ups right here, work the core, or you can do decline presses like this if you have adjustable dumbbells, like so. Grab your adjustable dumbbells. With your adjustable dumbbells, you can do your declines like this. It's a solid workout. I love this. On this side right here, you can also lift this up, and now you have a flat bench, and this is perfect for curls. Really isolate those muscles right here with those curls. Very, very effective curl exercises. And last but not least, you got this exercise over here where you can really work on your abs this way. So this is the roaming chair. Oh yeah.